What's up? Welcome back. Today we are on a 3-day adventure. That's right, we are currently in the car now. We are heading up to Manchester. We're going to go for a cheeky quick fly there, catch up with some friends and family. You guys remember my sister, Auntie Human. We scared her at Heathrow Airport because she was terrified of Mikey. That video was quite funny. It'll be kind of fun to see them reunite after all these years. But tomorrow is Mia's 4th birthday. Woo! And we are going to do exactly what she wished. We're going to throw her off a cliff in the Peak District. We cannot wait. We haven't been back to the Peak since last year. We're meeting up with a bunch of other free flies as well, which is going to be so much fun. 2 days in the Peaks. We're going to try and film the next 72 hours of our lives and cut this video up into like a 10 to 15 minute vlog. Who knows how that's going to work, but we hope you enjoy it. So guys, we have arrived in Manchester and we're actually hanging out today with our dear friend Dim Delza.
Dim Deli.
Dim Deli. So we all had to meet up so we could go for a cool fly, but the weather has literally just been rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, just, you know, English stuff. And it's super, super windy. So we're gonna cancel the fly, hang out for a bit, and then we're off to a super fancy hotel, which is way too flash for us. And we'll check in now. Do big wings?
Yeah.
I'll give you a treat.
Good girl.
Oh, you give me a treat.
Guys, this is the dream shower room. When we buy our house, this will be happening.
Alright guys, on the way hotel now. How epic was that crazy jungle shower? I want so bad. We'll check in with you guys when we're there. City of Manchester, here we come. Check this place out! Woo! So you guys remember my sister? This is
I'm not as scared.
This is Auntie Human.
Oh.
Mikey still doesn't really like her very much. I don't know if you guys remember the video.
I think he's just a bit territorial.
He could be a bit territorial.
No.
Not too much has changed.
Sweet birds. Good. Yes. That was lovely. Yeah. Don't know.
We have lights! Wow! Oh, and look! There's perches!
Oh, yes! Well, we mustn't go in the hotel room.
Oh, he will. Let's get these guys some dinner. They have had a very busy day.
So guys, we are just getting ready to go out for a lovely dinner and Sweet Dom Dom is doing my sweet hair, which is very sweet. Mia and Mikey are going to go to bed soon. They're just finishing off their pellets. So we will see you in the morning when we are heading out to the Peak District.
Alright, good morning, day 2. Slight maybe change of plans as we just found out it is pouring down with rain in the Peak District today.
Hey Mikey, you made a friend.
Just about to check out of the hotel in the lobby. Mikey's already making friends. Still not sure what the day holds. Still weather is going to be a bit strange. We might not be able to throw Mia off the cliff today. Probably end up actually going to Chloe's house and hang out with a bunch of bird people in her garden, which would be great.
guys, we've just arrived at Chloe's house and we're just going to go and chill for a bit and possibly go for a local fly. Say hello to Chloe.
Thank you so much for coming, honestly.
I know, it's so nice here.
There's so many people.
So guys, we have arrived at Chloe's. It is Mia's 4th birthday. She's having so much fun. There is like 14 or 15 macaws here, a couple of other smaller birds. There's so much colour in this garden. And what a way to celebrate Mia's birthday. Guys, check this out. I didn't even know what it is. What is it?
Amalobi chameleon.
Some sort of chameleon.
Amalobi panther chameleon.
Hey, you wanna come? Hello!
He's very sweet, isn't he?
These eyes, the feet, everything about him.
Like the way he holds you is amazing.
Oh wow, even their tails, like
Oh!
oh, that feels so scary. Okay, I'm done. Step up.
Come on.
Step up. Come on. We're here with Flo. I don't know if Flo wants to bite me or kiss me. He's very unpredictable. Oh! Hello, Flo. You want a kiss? Want a kiss? Oh. Here we have Zazu, 5-year-old blue and gold. Mama is over here, rescued him from a terrible situation. What was it like?
He was in a tiny budsy cage. It was
Tiny budsy
absolutely
cage.
awful. No parrot should be in that kind of situation ever.
So
Now, thanks to what I was
good.
watching your guys videos. Thanks for watching them. Azaz is having an amazing life. You guys like inspired me that things like this could be done with parrots.
and he's such a good boy.
We are now off for a quick fly and then we will come back and celebrate some more. Woohoo!
It may not be an epic cliff in the Peak District due to weather, but a bunch of us all still together. The skies are going to get pretty colourful pretty soon.
To rain and we've decided to head back to Chloe's before this one sits in a tree for 4 hours.
Step up. Step up. Oh. So over here we have Jekyll, Shamrock Macaw, rescue, stuck in some tiny cage until Chloe saved him. He's on his way to free flight. He's getting there. He enjoys sleeping in trees though, so he's got a bit more work to do. You're a good boy, aren't you? Do you want to cuddle? Oh, he doesn't want to cuddle. Want a kiss? Alright guys, day 2 is nearly over. People are slowly clearing out. We're going to head to our Airbnb now, so we'll check in with you guys then. Day 3 tomorrow. No idea what we're doing, weather depending. Hopefully a sweet cliff for Mia's birthday. You want a cliff, don't you, Mia? And if you guys want to see a little bit more of today in a bit more detail, Kaylee over here from Flow With Us has actually vlogged the entire day as well. We'll link her video in the description. Woo!
Guys, we literally just arrived at the most beautiful converted barn house and it is so stunning. Let me show you. This is our room, guys. Look, I'm so worried that the birds are going to break something. So let's just hope for the best. Guys, we've had to improvise. We completely forgot their sleeping perch. So, what we've done is we got the rope from the car perch, which is perfect, and we're going to be covering them up as well. We're going to be being as quiet as we can because they desperately need a good night's sleep tonight, guys. They've had a real big adventure and it is time for night-nights.
Good morning, guys. Mia is waking up. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Mikey is awake. And it's time to start the day.
Good morning, world. It is day 3 and it is absolutely pouring down with rain.
Yay!
Apparently where we are flying isn't going to be as bad, so we may still go check it out. The chances of us actually going to go fly off this beautiful cliff as Mia's wish are getting lower and lower, but worst comes to worst, we'll probably all hang out, go to a pub, something like that, who knows. But fingers crossed, we're gonna get some breakfast and head to the location to see what everyone thinks.
So guys, we are currently just sitting in the rain. Mia had such a nice birthday party at Auntie Chloe's yesterday. We're not gonna go fly anymore because, well, it's very wet out there. So we're gonna go to the pub instead, aren't we, Mia? So we're gonna go to the pub instead. How are you feeling about your Mia cuddles?
This is very exciting.
Oh.
As Mia grows in age, her trust with me builds.
So the rain is clearing up, which is a good sign, but we don't want to take any risks just yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to the pub and just meet everyone and see what the plan is going to be. So should be lots of fun either way. We're going to try and make the most of the day.
Alright, weather didn't clear up. We're going home now. 5-hour drive back. Alright guys, we are on our way home. Sadly, the Peaks was just filled with rain for the last 2 days. But honestly, we still had so much fun just hanging out with everyone. So many new people that we haven't met. So great to meet everyone. All getting into free flight, which is exactly what we want to see. Just a quick thing to touch on. We've had a lot of messages recently of people saying we've inspired them to get birds. Now, we don't want to inspire anyone to get birds. We make these videos to basically show you with the right training, with learning about recall, diet, desensitization, positive reinforcement, amazing things can happen. Keeping these birds is an extremely serious commitment. It requires ridiculous amount of time. They're expensive, they're noisy, they're messy. They're definitely not ideal pets. And I know we do portray a lot of the great things about them. We do obviously try and incorporate all the bad stuff, but usually when bad stuff's happening, we're usually trying to control it instead of film. So we don't want to be the inspiration of anyone getting them, but if you think you've done the research, honestly, adopt over shop. The amount of people that do buy babies and then after a year or two just get rid of them because they realize, nope, these birds aren't for me, is crazy. We've been given at least 2 or 3 macaws in the last 2 months that are only like a year or 2 old. At least 5 or 6 macaws that we were flying with last year are now in new homes. It's a really, really serious thing. We will get into this in a bit more detail on another video, but for now, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get back to getting us home and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.